This is closure for chapter 4, number 6. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points -12, -17, and 4, -5. To find an equation of a line, we must remember that we use the form y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, or rise over run, otherwise known as the change in y over the change in x. B represents the y-intercept. That is when x is 0, we know the y-coordinate. I usually start by finding the slope. I line up coordinates so I can look at how each variable changes. Over here I will see the change in y. We went up 12 spaces. If you imagine a number line, that's 12 spaces up. For a change in x, we also went up 12 spaces to 0 and another 4 spaces from 0, so that makes 16 spaces total. The slope simplified becomes 3 over 4. Since, you can backtrack and check your answers and make sure you simplified right, just multiplying it back in. So 3/4 is the slope, the m. Now we have to go back to our y equals mx plus b form and figure out what b should be. Now, right now, we have too many variables. We need to borrow an x and y that we know are on our line. So I'm going to use the coordinate from the top here in my equation down here. The coordinate for y was -5, 3/4 times x, which is 4, plus b. Now we can solve for b because it's the only variable in that equation. This 4 is actually 4 over 1. You can put that in your calculator, but I know the 4 over a 4 will cancel out to 1. That leaves -5 on this side, a 3 plus b on the other. This is a one-step equation. Just need to move the 3 away by subtracting it away. So -8 equals b. Now we're not done. Go back to read the equation, or read the question. It says we need an equation. So y equals, use your slope you found, and use the y-intercept we found. And that's the solution. Thank you, and good luck studying.